नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the Sarvajñapita Yajamans, Nitya Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars, Inner Awakening participants, devotees, disciples, visitors, and YouTube subscribers and viewers who are sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, Devi is continuing to grace on the Alankara of Mahishasura Mardini. Adi Shakti is gracing in the form of slaying the demon Mahishasura. Today is very auspicious day, Vijayadasami. We celebrate the victory of good over the evil. In Hindu tradition, all victories, Subramanya conquering Tarakasura and Surapatma, Rama conquering Ravana, and Pandavas winning Mahabharata war, Devi Adishakti destroying Mahishasura. The whole list, and Meenakshi meeting Sadashiva, conquering Kailasa and getting conquered by love of Sadashiva. She actually conquered literally the Kailasa. Other than Sadashiva, she conquered everyone, including Nandi. So when she saw Sadashiva, she got conquered in love. So even that happened on same Vijayadasami day. Shivalilarnava describes this happened on Vijayadasami, and then the Sadashiva commands, go and prepare all the things needed. I'll come and marry you in Madurai. She comes, and originally the marriage happened in Masi month. That is the way the Shivalilarnava records. Even though now the ritual is done during the Chitra month, during the Nayakar period, the festival got clubbed and got organized in Chitra month. Now the marriage is held during Chitra festival, but in Shivalilarnava, it is recorded in Masi. Masi is the month when she got married. So she comes back in Purattasi. Preparations for marriage happens. Aipasi, then Kartigai, Margazhi. All the preparations happen for the marriage, and in Masi, marriage itself takes place. End of the Masi, and beginning of the Pankuni. That is the time usually that nakshatra and date falls. Vijayadashami is a very auspicious day. Let's receive Adi Shakti, Mahishasuramardini, Mahadevi, her blessings by offering 129 Naivedyams. Let's receive her blessings, then we will proceed, enter into satsang.
Om Dhurashi Dhurvadhurvam Tam Dhuratayyosman Dhurvaditam Dhurvayam Vayam Dhurvamastam Devanamasi Nastidamam Bapridamam Dushtamam Manditam Devhutamamadamase Bhadradanam Trigumhastamahva Mitrasatva Chaksha Prekshema Venma Samvikta Matvaikam Shim Shri Adishakti Devyai Namo Namaha Dhupam Agrapayami. अथ दीपः ओम उद्दीप्तस्वजातवेदो भक्तिं निर्ममा पशुविष्टभक्ष्यमावह जीवनं त्रिशोदिश मानोहिकं श्रीजातवेदो कामसंपुरुषन्तगते अविपृथक् आकीष्यामा परिपातय श्री आदिशक्तिदेव्यै नमो नमः एकः दीपं सन्दर्शयामि अथ नैवेद्यम् ओम अस्त्राय नमः ओम मधुवातारिताय ते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धः माध्वीन सन्तोषधीः मधुरक्तमतोषधि मधुभक्पाद्यवभुम्बजः मधुद्यौरस्तनः पिता मधुमानो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागं वस्तु सूर्यः माद्रीगावो भवन्तु नः मधु 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 ओम आदिशक्तिदेव्यै नमो नमः महानैवेद्यं निवेदयामि मङ्गलनीराजनम् ओम नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियता प्रणता स्मतां राजाधिराजाय प्रसङ्गसाहिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे नमे कामां कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः कर्पूरगौरम् अरुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं तदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे मम भवानी कैदं नमामि मम भवानी कैदं नमामि मम भवानी कैदं नमामि
Today is not only one of the most auspicious day for whole Sanatana Hindu Dharma, it's a historical day for our Nityananda Sangha. Today is the day, 11 years before, I sowed the seed, which is now giving fruits, the best fruits. Today, we have successfully completed 10 years of Nityananda Gurukul. One of the biggest contribution from me to Sanatana Hindu Dharma, I have put my efforts in so many directions, in so many ways to revive Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Gurukul, Nityananda Gurukul, is the most successful. Most successful. 10 years. Wow, when I look back, the vision with which I started the Gurukul is becoming reality. Creating enlightened beings, manifesting, radiating Sadashiva and his powers. Gurukul is the only one. When I speak about it, I feel like I am blushing. I offer this Gurukul and its success at the feet of Sadashiva, Mahadeva, Adi Shakti. As living energy of Sadashiva, I bless everyone who made this Nityananda Gurukul successful, directly, indirectly, in any way. Whether by contributing time or energy or using the services we are providing, or by making your kid part of Gurukul, whatever way, whoever has contributed, directly, indirectly, for the success of the Gurukul, I bless every one of you, my blessings. I have so much to say about Gurukul. First thing I want to tell, from today, as per Sadashiva's instruction in Agama, I am making not only the Nityananda Gurukul of the Bengaluru Adinam, all over the world, all our Nityananda Vidyalaya classes, all the services provided by the Nityananda Gurukul, and the branches which are going to be started are functioning in all extensions of the Gurukul. Nityananda Gurukul in Bengaluru Adinam and all their extended services as completely free of cost. From today, it is official. Earlier, I experimented with the possibilities like option and all that. Now, I am making it official. Not only the Gurukuls I am running, the Gurukuls I am going to run. All the branches already running and going to start. All the services provided by the Gurukul, like Nityananda Vidyalaya classes, Yogic Sciences classes, through two-way video conferencing, whatever. All services are provided completely free of any economical commitment. It is completely free of charge. And I am making it very clear. This declaration comes as per the guidance of Sadashiva. In Agamas, I referred at least 6 Agama. all the six are very clear in their instruction about how the Gurukul should run. Even if the father of the child is a king, you cannot ask for any charge. That's the instruction, that's the extent. Sadashiva goes. So, as per Sadashiva's instruction, we decide the Gurukul will be 100% free. We will run it by the voluntary contribution. Sadashiva also gives instruction. If the Guru is not having enough, he should go around and beg and feed the students and run the Gurukul. So, Sadashiva has not kept me in that position where I need to go around and beg. He is showering enough wherever I am sitting. So, we will execute his instruction. We will make the Gurukul completely free. And I also make this declaration and commitment to Vedamata, Sanatana Hindu Dharma. By the 15th anniversary, I will make this Gurukul with at least 1,100,000 students. It's my commitment to Vedamata. It's my commitment to Sanatana Hindu Dharma, and 1 lakh children studying, at least 75,000 Balasans. At least 70,000 manifesting multiple powers of Sadashiva and 50,000 fully enlightened. When I say, I mean. When I say, I mean. Now I know I just need to build infrastructure. And Sadashiva is gracing us with his Vishwakarma energy. We will be capable of doing it. We will be able to do it. We will do it. And I am keeping the Gurukul as far more important priority than even the Golden Temple. Understand? Gurukul will be also providing its services from the age of 7 to 21. The kids will be in the Gurukul between 7 to 21. That is the age Agama supports. Agama prescribes the children should be in the Gurukul. The principle is till 21, help the kid to completely consciously be awakened. See, between the 14 to 21, that is the age where the child is physically matured but not psychologically matured. So all his moves will be only forced by hormones. So it will have a tremendous instability. You can see the teenage kids. Even their text message is based on the hormone level in their body. If the hormone level is high, the kind of text message will be different. When it's low, the kind of text message will be different. At this period, till the psychology matures, the kids should be protected. See, even they don't know how to handle themselves. So protecting them and handing them over to them back at the age of 21. Saying, now you have you and decide what do you want to do. understand, between 14 to 21, when you are protecting them, you are not denying them their life and their right. I always tell my balasans, say, I am not sadist. We are not denying your pleasures and your joys and your life to you. Understand, now you will be driven only hormone based. So you will hurt others. You will not know to create relationship. You will be just jumping around. Even you will not be able to handle yourself. Any relationship starts before 21 will only be a wound in you. It's a law of life. So supporting, you see, it's like when you become a big banyan tree, even an elephant tied on the banyan tree cannot destroy you. But when you are a small sapling, even a goat can eat the leaf and kill you. Enjoy the fruit, not the sprout. Enjoy the fruit of your life. Enjoy the fruit of your life, not the sprout of your life. So Gurukul is to protect and help you to mature physiologically, psychologically, consciously. Once you are ready, naturally you are given back to you. Now it is time you decide. Please understand, Gurukul is not Sannyas Training Center. I am making it very clear. Sannyas Training Center will be separate. Gurukul will be for both. People who want to become, not even both, for all. People who want to become sannyasis, people who want to become grihasthas, people who neither want to marry nor want to take sannyas, just live as they want. For all category, Gurukul is open. Gurukul is open place for preparation for all varna and ashrama and dharma. And we are also tuning ourselves more and more and more to Agamas, Sadashiva's instructions, more and more of Vedic and Agamic traditions. The more we tune ourselves to Sadashiva, more he manifests through us. I am discovering very clearly this whole thing. Now next thing I am only wondering, where can I install 1 lakh Shivalinga for Somavara Abhishekam, Rudra Abhishekam for all my balasans? That is my next plan. And really, I mean, we are going to have 1 lakh students in 1 lakh balasans in Bangalore Adinam Gurukul. 1 lakh means 150. And every day this will be part of my routine, initiating new powers to new batches and making them manifest new powers and new energies. As I declared long before, I'll be well known to the world positively for my contribution as Nityananda Gurukul. There is so much to tell about Gurukul. I think with this one word I am making everyone understand. I am keeping the Gurukul as a higher priority than the Golden Temple itself. It's not that I am not going to build. The first priority I am keeping Gurukul, expanding infrastructure, things needed, everything. And I am also making it open, even if you are a citizen of other countries, if you are from outside India, if one parent stays here, any number of your kids can stay in the Gurukul, it's free. One parent has to be here as the legal requirement till we need, till that remains as a legal requirement, and any number of your kids can study in the Gurukul. And I sincerely thank everyone who contributed in the form of whether money, moral support, or multiple things. People who did good to our Gurukul, even making your child study in Gurukul, all that, in every form, directly, indirectly. I'm thankful to all of you. I thank all of you and bless all of you for making this Gurukul a great success. The next, I have one more exciting news. Today I am releasing a new YouTube channel. The channel name is Ma Nityananda Mayi. So, Sangha, understand, Akka is on YouTube. And she is also going to be taking a live questions. Every day there will be show. She is going to share the way she understood Swamiji's teachings. And enjoy her channel and her sharings. Today we have now Darpan Visarjan, means having the Devi back in your Anandaganda, in our Anandaganda, and leaving the idol into the natural water source. The ritual will be done. Formally, Devi will be back to our Anandaganda to reside there eternally. We will be going to the temple now to do the Darpan Visarjan, and then today the Inner Awakening participants are going to receive the first batch of the spiritual alchemy product. It's ready. It's ready. If you missed me in the yesterday evening darbar and puja in the temple, this was the reason. I just have to rest to finish all the energizing process, which was successfully completed. Today, this Inner Awakening participants, this batch, is going to receive the first set of alchemy products and the Atmamurti also. Let's get ready. Today we are going to have a fun and long session and evening Visarjan procession. And let's walk to the temple straight. Already we are a little late for Darpan Visarjan. Let's move to the next segment. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.